tell you, yellow belly motherfucking something. What other rapper you know could walk in the middle of Times Square on New Year's by himself, no security, $1.67 on the wrist, something on the neck, something on the other wrist. It is no security. It's no none of that. I don't want to talk to these niggas. Everybody's tough. All y'all niggas is pussy. Because you can't even do this. Happy New Year. Let me see you walk outside of your own city. Is everybody's city? It's my fucking city, coward. You know what I mean? Look at this. You really outside. Yeah, get my shit. My suit is 5,000. My suit is 5,000. Now they call it this shit.
No, I gotta see the, you gotta see the
The suit, get the waist. You get the waist line. There you go, my nigga. You rich tonight. You rich tonight.
Thank you.
Yeah, don't let him love you. I snap for free.
Together, lazy. Oh yeah, let's go. Yeah, my brother, let's go. Sure, watch out. Hey. Excuse me. Come on.
You want to wake up for the first, you know you're going to wake up.
Yo. Ah.
Oh, yo, you hear me, bro? I knew you was talking to me through the radio the other day. I was trying to tell you, you got to get with me, but homie, you got to switch teams.
Woo.
Niggas like him that don't make it to the first day.
Playing.
Close enough there for me to catch it with a short chick.
Who that's supposed to be?
Who you want it to be?
Oh, that's Jadakiss?
Yes.
Jadakiss, what's the word,
What's
man?
up, baby? Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Hey, I'm like,